What are you thinking about right now? You're crying. You're drooling.
I'm drooling. I can't stop it.
You have class in less than 8 hours.
I know.
7 hours, sorry.
I know.
Now you're gonna cry.
I hate everyone that goes to Macomb. Wow, I can't. I think you gave me a happy pill.
I gave you melatonin. It's the opposite. Whoa. Oh, God. Guess what time I have to wake up tomorrow?
Not fucking 7.
Noon.
I hate you.
I thought you were gonna, like, throw something. The remote. You find the remote and throw it at me.
I wish I knew where it was.
Where's the remote?
Where's the remote? Ava, I'm not gonna be waking up like a cat.
You're gonna be waking up like a bear.